How to do reverse lunges correctly. You can buy my workout programs as well as other merchandise in my webshop, link in the description under this video. Reverse or backward lunges are a great way to work your glutes, hamstrings, quads and calves, giving you a strong lower body. Additionally, reverse lunges are a great option for beginners because the backward motion is easier to control. When you first start doing reverse lunges, you can use your own body weight to get results. Once the exercise stops feeling challenging, you can add weights to increase the intensity. To begin, stand tall with your hands at your hips. Take a large and controlled step backward with your left foot. Lower your hips so that your right thigh becomes parallel to the floor with your right knee positioned directly over your ankle. Your left knee should be bent at a 90-degree angle and pointing toward the floor with your left heel lifted. Return to standing by pressing your right heel into the floor and bringing your left leg forward to complete one rep. Alternate legs and step back with the right leg. Personally, I prefer sets of 12 reps, challenging enough to perform maximum 14, so you have 2 reps in reserve, no more. If you are interested in my online personal coaching, send me an email on this address.